Hello, this is Eric at Print Show at Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, with some great fuel efficiency as well, coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and a new look inside and out. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back seat, where you have your rear doors that go all the way back to be in line with the bed of the truck, so you have easy access to the back seat, where you have seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And you have 2 cup holders, as well as a 12-volt power outlet and USB-C down there. And looking in the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat and a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your truck. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information, your eco coach, start stop status, your radio controls, and fuel economy. Then you can go or exit out of that and go into your truck info, where you have all of your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine information, and seat belts. Your towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Do also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to the left side, where you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost in your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. You also have your general truck features, such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen, you have your auto start stop shut off, your hazards, or sorry, not your hazards, your camera view, and then your hazards, and your traction control shut off. Moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and your climate controls here with dual zone front climate, so you can stay at different temperatures and remain comfortable. To the left of that, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, and your drive mode selector for, you have normal, tow haul, eco, sport, and then on the other end you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt and USB-C, as well as this button up here to open the compartment above your glove box for more storage. And down here you have another USB and USB-C, a slot for your phone while it's charging, 2 cup holders, another large cubby, and your lockable center compartment / armrest here with a removable tray and a ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. And before I forget, your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.